this one here we are using the different types of units to represent the electromagnetic radiations. Okay, here some terminology is there regarding the waves. Okay, first of all I am writing that one. Okay, here the first one is the wavelength. Wavelength denoted with lambda. Wavelength denoted with lambda. First of all, what is considered as a wavelength? Okay, here the distance between two successive crests or two successive troughs is called wavelength or lambda. Here how much length the wave having, the how much length, okay na, that is the distance between the two successive crusts, that is the length between the two successive crusts or two successive troughs. Okay, here first of all which is known as a wave. Okay, here wave means here one crest, this is the crest, this is the trough. One crest plus one trough is nothing but wave. This is the wave, one wave. Okay na, one wave is equal to one crest plus one trough. Okay na, here wavelength means here I am writing the wavelength means two successive crusts, the distance between two successive crusts. Okay now, this distance in between the two successive crusts, the distance between the two successive crusts, this is considered as a wavelength, length of the wave. Or the distance between the two successive troughs, okay now, this is also considered as a wavelength. Okay, and here wavelength units of the wavelength, units are most important one. Units of the wavelength, here length units are meter, centimeter, like that manner. Here also wavelength units are meter, centimeter, nanometer, angstrom, picometer, millimicron. Okay, picometer, you have to remember up to here. And here some unit conversions also there. Okay na, unit conversions also we have to know. Okay na, that is the important one. Okay na, we have to remember the unit conversions are very important. Why? Because of when we are solving the numerical problems, okay na, we definitely know about the information regarding the unit conversion. Okay, here I am writing the some unit conversions. Okay, right here 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meters. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 8 centimeters. 1 angstrom is equal to 100 picometers. 1 angstrom is equal to 0.1 nanometers. And here 10 to the power minus 4 millimicrons also there. Okay na, here 1 angstrom is equal to, okay na, 10 to the power minus 10. Okay, you have to remember this data. And another data also provided in notes. Like this manner you have to remember that one also. Notes I mentioned clearly. Okay na, right. Note it down. I go into next one. Next one, second one. wave number denoted with nu bar. Okay, nu bar. What is called as a wave number? The number of waves present in unit distance, one unit distance is called wave number. For example, here the 1 unit distance, I am taking the 1 unit distance, that is the 1 meter or 1 centimeter. You have to take any one. Okay, this is the 1 centimeter distance or 1 meter distance. In a unit distance, how many number of waves are present? For example, here in 1 centimeter distance, here 1 wave is present. The wave number is equal to 1. At that time, wave number is equal to 1. Or in 1 unit distance, 1 centimeter distance, how many number of waves are present? Here, for example, here, if 2 waves are present, this is the 1 crust plus 1 trough, 1 wave completed, and 1 crust plus 1 trough, another wave completed. At that time, then a wave number is equal to 2. Right? And here the wave number mu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. Wave number is the reciprocal of wavelength. Okay na? Here the units, next one is the units. How to write the units? Here wave length, okay na, wavelength units are meter, centimeter. Okay na, here that meters are going to upside meter inverse, centimeter inverse. These are the units for wave number. Okay, note it down. Next one, frequency. Denoted with nu. What is called as frequency? The number of waves passed through given point in 1 second. In 1 second time is called frequency. Star is nothing but frequency. Mu called frequency. Okay, here I am taking given point, here one point, okay na, through this point how many number of waves are passed? Okay na, through this point how many number of waves are passed? Okay na, here how many number of waves are passed in 1 second time. Condition is the 1 second time. Here for example, through a point in 1 second time 1 wave is passed. The frequency is 1. Here units of frequency, hertz, okay na, hertz or cycle per second. It is also written as second inverse. Either you write the hertz, either you write the second inverse. 1 hertz is equal to 1 cycle per second. 1 cycle per second or per second. 1 hertz is equal to 1 per second. Here, through this point, through given point, in 1 second time, one wave, number of waves, how many number of waves are passed? One wave is passed. At that time, the frequency is considered as a 1 hertz or 1 second inverse. Or here through the given point in 1 second time, okay, now this is the one wave and another wave. Two waves are passed in 1 second time. Okay, now here the frequency is 2 hertz. Okay, right? Here one mathematical relationship is there. Mu is equal to c by lambda. Frequency is equal to velocity of light upon wavelength of the electromagnetic radiation. Frequency of electromagnetic radiation is equal to velocity of light by wavelength of the electromagnetic radiation. You have to remember this mathematical expression. Here, the reciprocal of the wavelength, okay, reciprocal of the wavelength is considered as what? Is considered as a wave number. Wave number. We know this one. Okay, we know this one. Here it can be also written as mu is equal to c into 1 by lambda. 1 by lambda is equal to what? The reciprocal of wavelength is nothing but a wave number. Here mu bar is equal to velocity of light into, frequency is equal to velocity of light into wave number. This is the another relationship. You have to remember this one and this one for solving the numerical problems. Okay, na? Note it down. Next one, velocity. Velocity denoted by capital C. Okay, what is the velocity? The distance traveled by radiation or wave in 1 second time is called velocity. Okay, here the velocity, okay, here the velocity of light is equal to 3.0 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. What is the definition? The distance traveled by radiation or wave in 1 second time. How much distance is traveled? The wave in 1 second time. 1 second time, the wave traveled how much distance? Okay, here the light of the velocity of light, the speed of light. Okay, na? Here in 1 second time, it can travel the distance is the 3.0 into 10 to the power 8 meters. This much distance. Okay, na? This much distance. Okay, na? The light traveled. Okay, na? The radiation is traveled. Okay, na? That is considered as a velocity of light. It can be also written as 3 into 10 to the power 10 centimeter per second. Okay, na? Here units. Okay, na? Meter per second or centimeter per second. Okay, you have to remember this value and units also. Okay, the velocity of light is equal to that value and this units. Next one is the amplitude. Amplitude indicated with capital A, denoted with capital A. what is considered as a amplitude? The depth of the trough or height of the crest is known as a amplitude. For example, here one wave is there. This is the crest. This is the trough. Height of the crest. This is the height of the crest is considered as a amplitude. Or depth of the trough. This is also considered as a amplitude. Okay, it determines intensity or brightness of the electromagnetic radiation or wave. Here, for example, here the height of the crest and depth of the trough is more. The brightness of the electromagnetic radiation more, or intensity of the electromagnetic radiation more. This is the first one. And second one, I am taking here in this one. The height of the crest and depth of the trough is the less. At that time, the wave having the radiation having the intensity is the less and brightness also less. Okay, na? This is the information regarding the amplitude. Okay, note it down. Okay, here next we are going to solve the numericals. Okay, based on this one. Okay, you have to remember this unit conversations and this terminology. Okay, na? And mathematical expressions are there. Okay, na? That mathematical expressions you have to remember well. Okay, that are useful to solve the numerical problems. Okay, right.